Hello, I am Anandu.N.R from section 17. My roll number is 20MT30004. This is my week 6 DIY project of disassembling and assembling of an appliance. I am going to disassemble this perfectly working doorbell. Now you can hear the sound of the doorbell. As we press the switch, we can hear perfectly the sound of the doorbell. First, I need to remove the connection from the board, so I am going to remove it from the board. Now I removed the doorbell from the wall. This is the ding-dong type doorbell. Nowadays there are many doorbells available in the markets with variety of sounds. Now I am going to disassemble it. This is press fit type, so I can easily open it. This is the internal arrangement of different components of the doorbell. The various components of the doorbell are the spring and the plunger, and two aluminum sheets, the rubber parts, and the solenoid and the connecting wires. These are the two aluminum sheets placed on either side of the solenoid. The rubber hooks are used to position them perpendicular to the plastic casing. Also, these rubber hooks work as shock absorbers when the plungers hit the plates. This is the plunger. In the default position, the plunger almost touches the back side of the aluminum plate, which produces a dong sound. One end of the spring is tightly bound to the plunger, and the other end is fixed in a mechanical fixture. The plunger makes to and fro motion like this. When the switch of the doorbell is pressed, it hits the front plate to produce the ding sound, and when it comes back, it hit the back plate, thereby producing the dong sound. This is the solenoid. It is made by winding an insulated copper coil on a bobbin. On the top of the coil, there is a sheet of paper is covered to protect the coil windings. The doorbell works on the principle of Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. If the solenoid gets the electric energy, it produces the magnetic field around it. When the power is on, when the magnetic field is produced and the plunger moves the front side and it switches off, it goes to back side and produces the ding dong sound. This is the working principle of this doorbell. This solenoid also consists of the unequally placed shading coil. The shading coil plays an important role in the functioning of the doorbell. Since AC is sinusoidal in nature, it reaches a value 0 twice in a cycle. This means the magnetic force will also be 0 twice in every cycle, and hence it will cause unwanted vibrations. A shading coil, which is made up of copper rings, produces its own magnetic field. Now there are two magnetic fields, one by the main coil and other by the shading coil. The unequal placing of the shading coil produces unequal magnetic fields near the poles, thereby producing a phase difference and avoiding the net resultant field to be 0. This is in turn prevents the unwanted vibrations of the iron plunger. Now I am going to reassemble the parts. Now I completely assembled this doorbell. Now I need to connect this to the wall. Now I need to check whether the doorbell is working or not. Yes, it is completely working. Thank you.